So, guys, allow me to take this session forward. My name is Aman Thakral. I am the business head for Target Integration, where I help companies to automate their business process. I have with me Mr. Harish from VTiger team, who is the director for business development, and then I have Jyoti, who's I think if you just
Hi.
Hi.
is of the entire architecture solutioning under VTiger. I hope you guys can see our screen well. Well, today's agenda would be to talk about a little about our integration, what as a company we do for our customers, what is VTiger's role in this, how do we really pitch in VTiger, a small audience poll that we'll talk about, also a little live demo about VTiger so you know how this entire system work and help the companies to automate. And the five main reason for joining this session today of why to try VTiger CRM version 9. We'll unbox the version 9 today. We'll understand how it is better, what has been improved from version 8, and what is new that we can expect out of version 9 tonight. And then we'll have a Q&A session. But the best part here is you can all the time get into your Q&A session and write the question, and the panelists here would answer it. All right. So moving on, let me give you a little background about Target Integration. We are a 12-year-old company, got conceptualized in 2008, where our agenda is to provide business insights to every business, so that instead of taking subjectified questions and answers, they take objectified answers, and they can actually run a business in a manner where it's not the gut but the stats which are really promoting you to run your business. At the moment, we operate out of four countries, which is Ireland, UK, India, and US, where we have our development center based out of Greece. And in India, we have our operations in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and many more cities to come. All thanks to all of you because of your support and help. So, as a company, we help companies to set up their business processes through the help of CRM and ERP tools, specifically on cloud technology. So, in the past 12 years, we have built our niche around the cloud technology so that any smallest to the biggest business process that you see, either you are a service company or a manufacturing company or a trader, you can get it solved through CRM and ERP tools. With the CRM tools that we have, there are almost 35 of them. With the ERP tools that we have, almost 8 of them. Trust me, no matter which business that you are in, we can always solve that for you. And best part, there's no need to spend money on infrastructure. There's no need to spend money on big servers, spaces, or any kind of investment which is upfront. Everything is SaaS based. You just need to plug and play and start using it. So let me talk a little about VTiger, and I'll now give this dais to Harish. Harish, would you like to speak a little about VTiger and give us a little knowledge?
Sure. Thanks, Aman, for the wonderful introduction, and thanks for the team to make this event happen. And I'm very happy to connect with all the participants in this forum. Thank you for all of you all joining us, and it's pleasure for me to just connect with you all for next 55 minutes. Thank you, participants. Okay, so VTiger started its journey with one dream of customer experience, right? The customer experience only happens when you have a unified view of the information. So that's the journey which VTiger started in 2004. And so we are able to keep on this part of our journey and our tagline till today. And I think during our demos or during our conversation, you will be able to experience that, right? And VTiger started this journey with open source in 2004, and we are happy to say that we have about 5 million downloads across the globe, and we are across the industries segments. We are able to implement our open source product through our extended partner arm, and we have been trusted by 3 lakh customers across the globe, be it is in the US or Australia, Africa, India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Australia. We're fortunate to have the customers like y'all who have accepted as a product and taken up our to the next level. And happy to say that We have launched this cloud product in 2010, and we are the decade-old cloud product. We started off a journey from open source and a transition to the cloud version to see that how do we start giving a solution for an SMB customer, which is a box kind of a solution, which is going to cater to their needs. And then we have slowly gone from the SMB to a mid enterprise. So once you understand the SMB business challenges and try to get to the customers, you'll be able to easily manage your mid customers. And today we are also handling enterprise and gorilla accounts, right? So that's the journey we had. It's so pleasure to be there for the last 16 years, right? And coming back to the number of customers, as I told you, we have 3 lakh customers across the globe, and we are not specific to a particular vertical. We are horizontal. So you can see a Lenovo, we are using they are using our help desk, is using our module. The someone else is using our marketing module. So all the segments have been covered. So today's world, since we are handling the developed markets, there is a compliance and a consent which comes up. We cannot go to Europe and start talking to the customer without their consent. So we are GDPR compliant. Now, to ensure in this today's world on an online platform that our data security is a prima facie, that our customers' data and the privacy is a prime, I think, core thing for vTiger. So we are 27001 certified, and we are also on the global #1 cloud partnership with AWS. So this should give you a comfort to tell that we are compliant and security partners taken care for you all by vTiger. Aman, can we just move to the next screen, please? Yeah. So I just started off my session telling that great customer experience. The great customer experience is two ways. One is internal, another is external. How do we internalize? How are we going to also extend our services to the external customer? We listed down few points over here, like the regular challenges what face in the ecosystem have been put down over here, telling that always there is a challenge for an organization to ensure that they don't miss their revenue targets. So that's a huge challenge. So I think in our session of the product demo, my colleague Jyoti and Aman put together, they will be able to run through a few things and give you a clarity on how this has been addressed. And then we have a lot of challenges with respect to that poor leads. There is always a challenge, and there is a debate between the marketing team and the sales team telling that there is a poor lead. Sales team always blames the marketing team. How are we able to bridge that gap is something we are looking at. Then missing out our targets. How are we going to get to our customers with their highest SLAs and satisfaction? So those are some things which we are going to cover in our session. And these are the challenges which we have taken up and we have listed down. These are few. There are many which we will be sharing with you all, right? And always it is customer satisfaction, higher customer satisfaction, lesser churn. Higher churn will lesser customer satisfaction. So I think that's what we would like to address it. Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, Harish. Thank you so much for these insights. But Harish, just one more interesting fact. Now, this open source version versus cloud version, what difference have you seen in the market? Do you think people are very excited about it?
Yeah, so it's a good question, Aman. See, in case of a cloud product, I think it's a shared resources, and it's also a cost optimization for the customers who are using, and they are also able to get the richness on the product features and the new technologies what's coming. So they get that as an update. So that is another way of looking at the cloud version, is just impart to that. And today we launched a V9 product with a total user experience UI across our 16 years of experience. That's the experience which we are giving to the customers. So in case of an open source, it will be one organization, but in case of a cloud, it is going to be an organization which is going to address that. And the security aspects of it is taken care, as I told you about my previous update, and the compliance. Aman.
Great. And another good news, we have almost now 20 plus participate in this session. So guys, thank you so much for joining in. Before we proceed further, we have a small poll to go ahead. So let me launch that poll. I would request all of you to give your inputs, and we'll wait for 5 seconds to end this poll. The simple question that we ask here is, are you using any CRM software to automate your business? We have got 7 responses so far. Thank you so much. The responses number have increased to 15. Great. Great. Perfect. And 1, 2, last one to go. Perfect. Thank you so much. What we understand, there are 79% Harish people who are using the CRM software already. There are 14% people who have said no, and 7% people who have said they haven't. They have tried it before. That's a
Wow,
good.
that's really awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Now moving on, I have Jyoti with me. Jyoti, who take cares of the entire architecture and solutioning for customers in VTiger. Jyoti, thank you so much for joining in. Would you like to share some words about your journey in VTiger? How's things been?
Yeah. Thank you, Aman, and thank you, Harish, for taking this forward. I have been working for VTiger CRM since past 6 years. During the journey, I have implemented, I have helped many businesses use the VTiger CRM with ease, because nobody should have a uh, concern about using the CRM, because it comes to the sales team members always try to ignore that it's a challenge for them to use the CRM. But I help them build the business in such a way that they find it easy to use the CRM, so that their journey on completing a deal to closure is smooth.
Yeah.
That's the thing. I have been in uh, working on the CRM for 6 years, and before that, I have been handling ERP trainings and enhancements on IFS. Then this is my journey. Overall, I have about good experience in handling the businesses. The main thing
That's
which we have is understanding the requirements and pain points of the customers.
correct. Correct.
So that is the
Now,
thing.
before we
Mhm.
move ahead, a question that I have for Harish. Harish, I understand that we are supposed to go for a live demo as per agenda, but I really want to understand few things before we proceed further.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Tell me the architecture. If you look at the way VTiger has been developed, it's a single tool, whereas some of the different competitors, you will see they are little separate, spread across different application. So tell us more about architecture. What's the idea behind this kind of architecture
Okay.
for VTiger?
Thanks for asking this question, Aman. So, as I told you that our core value is one view. Keeping this core value of one view, we always have extended that to our architecture also. Today, VTiger is a single platform. All the modules are built on top of a single platform, and the customers start using the the modules which they want just by subscribing and activating those modules which they want to use. So, a single customer mobile number or email ID is created in the journey from the contact to the lead to the opportunity to my support. It's the same records which gets clarified, and it's a unified database, and you get a unified view of the customer. So this is something which is unique to VTiger. We are not changes over time, but I think other competitors also sell. It's a separate module, someone. So we don't do that. So it's a unified product, right? So that's what is our architecture all about.
And I think that's also a very important point, Harish. Um, Out of our experience of implementing almost 5,000 plus companies across the globe, but we have realized that indeed there are multiple products who are selling multiple architecture, but
Yeah.
certain time customer do demand for a single umbrella architecture where everything can be seen under the same window. So no, that makes complete sense, and it also saves for everybody else who's here. It also saves a lot of API calls
Yeah.
in the product.
Yeah, just add just one more point, Aman. I think this extension also happens to our apps, which is on works on all the IO thing devices or all platforms, iOS or your Android. And again, that's one uniquely again connects back to our central application.
That's wonderful. Now, Harish, just before we let you go, tell me from the people who have not used any CRM before out of our audience, why should and what kind of customer should use VTiger?
See, Aman, what's with our experience, what we have seen is any organization with about three salesmen or sub two implementation, definitely they'll be able to manage with a Excel sheet, and they will be able to still get that optimal performances. As you grow in an organization, I think today's world, the whole challenge is the expectation from the customer, right? So you on time, and if you're not on time and if you're not able to get to the customer within a particular time frame, I think you will lose the customers. Idea of today, people start adapting the technology. Just an example today, that if I want to connect to a real estate, any kind of a property, and I want to reach out to them, and there is a chat which pops up, and you just enter and you get all your brochures, you're connected. I think now SMBs also who are low ticket price or two users also are trying to adapt to the technologies to see that they give a rich experience to the customer and manage the organization, and they have a higher revenue. So, Aman.
Absolutely. And it's just like an habit and discipline. If you look at any company which is full blown, if now when they adapt a CRM software, it is difficult because people are used to of living without a CRM. So it's
Yeah.
always good a discipline and habit to have as early as possible in your business life cycle. But Jyoti,
Yep.
something for you. Now,
Yeah.
when Harish said that there are so many business and every business can look for a CRM software, tell me how you as an architect or a solution provider in terms of architecturing the solution look at these customers. How do you think that all the companies can fit in vTiger?
Yeah. So the basics of any customer interactions starts with their uh, name, then the organization, what the business they are doing in.
Right.
They can bring all the things like their products, their services, and integrate it with such a way that it is easier for them to track and follow up with the customers
True.
for their day-to-day activities.
Yeah.
Everything is available in one view, wherein we can have the customers starting from the lead and converting a lead to a, or other. There is a contact, organization, and deal. Then it
Mhm.
comes to bringing the various products, adding, importing all the leads from various sources. Everything is inbuilt in such a way that it is easier for them, for any type of customer, to customize their instance
Right.
in such to enhance the productivity they can do.
Okay.
It's a
So
easy to use. With a default, they can start using the CRM.
right, a single word answer, just to have confidence. Do you think
Yes,
every business can use CRM, specifically vTiger CRM?
yes. For the customer relationship management, this is the best tool.
So do us a favor. Show us
Yeah,
the product now.
sure. Okay.
I'll give
So,
you the screen sharing right, Jyoti. It's
okay.
all the ball is in your court. Please aware
Thank you.
us.
Thank you, Aman. So, I'm sharing my screen right now. So, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, I'm going to, this is the look and feel that has been adopted right now for
And
V9,
that's vTiger 9. Yeah.
V-Tiger 9. And this is the menu items wherein each person can have the personalized favorites that can be added.
Mhm.
There are different sectors wherein we have essentials for account customer management. The basis is leads, contacts, and organizations. So one
Mhm.
and
And that's what every CRM would usually
yes,
have, correct? Yeah.
yes. So that is the base for a CRM, and the actions will give you everything what you need to do on a day-to-day basis. How you when you need to contact, all those things can be configured in such a way that it alerts you to follow up with the customer and not lose the customer by not following the customer on time. We have the events module and tasks wherein you can plan the events and add these events to and assign these events to your sales team members to follow up. You have the task can be given. You can also use the document sharing
And Jyoti, I'll keep on
customers.
troubling you in between so that
Yes.
we can give a context to our participants and attendees. So this
Yes.
whole events and tasks that can be synced across the products, be it
Yes.
Gmail, be it Outlook, be it Hotmail, any calendar that we can sync this with.
Yes. So
Perfect.
for conversations, you can bring all your emails into the CRM, so that all the things like integrating with your mailboxes, then integrating with Gmail, Outlook, and other email clients. Then we also have provide the option of integrating with telephony systems, which will help you to get all the conversations and communications in one place.
Okay.
Whereas if
And
you are
that
not
could be
doing so,
national, international telephone provider, anyone.
yes, we do have it, and all the things that are being added can be seen as touch points in each against each contact record. So that,
Oh,
yeah, even the recordings which you have, whatever the conversations you have, you everything is available on a single area, which is called single one view. So
right.
right from starting the leads, in the leads module, we bring the leads from various sources, like it can be your web pages, wherein you can host a web form. Then you can also bring leads from the Facebook lead forms, which we host on the Facebook. You can also bring leads into the CRM from uh, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Integration is there, and you can also have, if somebody sends a mail, it can also be created as a lead. And uh, if you have a telephone, if somebody calls and asks you for something, you can create a deal directly with
Right. So when you're
few
saying
things.
email can be converted into deal, you're saying it's a email parsing option that we have in the product.
Yes.
Perfect. That's very interesting. Often we've seen, Jyoti, that people who are using services from portals like Just Dial, IndiaMart, Sulekha, they often request a lead to be created out of the email that they get. So that could be a
Yes.
great feature for them to have.
Yes. So what happens here is, when they send a mail, they send in a proper format. That is the format always sent to the customers, or not the customers, to the vendors.
Your
So
mailbox.
that email can be converted right with. There is no hard rule that it is going to convert within. When you receive a mail, within 2 minutes, it gets converted to a lead, so that the persons who are on the your marketing team can start calling them or approaching them.
Yep.
You
And we
will
can
not
assign those assignment rules as well.
assignment rules are always there. You can assign
Perfect.
it on a round robin basis, so that the leads can be assigned in such a way that whoever is the least loaded can be given the lead, so that they can follow up with them on time without losing that lead. Okay, once you are add all the you grab all the leads from different sources, then your marketing team start interacting with the leads by sending them email campaigns. The email campaigns can be sent the product launch or a webinar or exhibition or whatever, for a email template you can create and send it in uh, direct email campaigns, or you can also have triggered based campaigns that launch trigger, and that will be reaching the customers based upon their uh, scenarios. Like, if let's say you have seen a product on Amazon,
Okay.
automatically that type of email is sent to you. The automated, that is a drip campaign is sent, which you have
Yeah.
created, and it sends the same interest related articles to you. That same feature is available on the email campaigns. Not only
Perfect.
that, we are also you can also send SMS campaigns, which is unique to the businesses, because the customers can reply back on the SMS campaign which you have sent, and that can create a continuation of business with them.
Okay. Okay.
So you can also share. Then
And
once,
and
yeah,
any SMS provider can be integrated, right?
there are a couple of integrators who are like Text Local, Mavio are the present email service providers, that is SMS providers, who are specific to SMS campaigns. Other
But
than
via
that,
APIs, anybody can be done.
yes, anybody can be done.
Amazing.
But we have others also who are going to, if you are only going to send a direct SMS, that also option is available.
Awesome.
Okay. Then once the lead is marketing qualified and it is shared with the sales team, so the sales team member can start uh, interacting with the customer, the lead. That is, now the lead has been converted to a sales qualified lead, and it is when converted, it creates an organization and a contact and a deal. A deal
Mhm.
journey starts from the sales perspective. So once the
Right.
deals, yeah. So once the deals uh, starts, then you can start the sales team member can have a different pipelines on which it can be a product based, or it can be there can be different type of pipelines. In this scenario, I'm
Now,
going to yes,
I can see that good looking AI there. Tell me more about this. Calcus that I can see. What is
yes.
Calcus here?
So
And I think that's
calculus,
V9, right?
yes, the calculus is recently launched new AI, that is artificial intelligence, which
Mhm.
will give you uh, a deep analysis of the deal that is going to go forward.
Okay.
And not only on this, it gives you based upon the configuration you do, it gives you a clear picture on when you can it can give you the details on when you are going to actually win the deal, or the when the deal is going to be closed, all based upon the other interactions. I'm going to
And
show you
all
those
basis on
things.
these signs, all
Yes,
basis on the information. Very nice.
yes. So I'm going to show you the how the organization, once the lead is converted, how this is the organization summary view, wherein you
Uh-huh.
can see this is the one view wherein you can see all your contacts, the
Hmm.
deals related to that organization,
Mhm.
and the quotes or invoices or sales orders, anything related to the organization is at a single location, so that from here they can start following up
Okay.
directly on that.
Interesting.
So
Interesting.
everything is available. This is what one view is. You can also see, you need not go since this is a summary view, you can also see the details section, like what are the field values that are available, direct details, and all related modules like task, events, whatever the events are there.
But Jyoti,
Which
tell me
are had.
something. This makes V Tiger as good as the best product that you would find in the entire CRM industry, because the entire architecture, the way it is being developed, the way it is being looked at, it's exactly like what they are offering. Plus, I could see that Calcus, I could see OneView. Seems like there's so much more that you can get out of so less of a money.
Yeah. So one more thing is you can directly contact the customer by directly from here itself. Send the emails. Not only that, the best part of this is you can share your calendars.
Okay.
There is no need to ask every time, no need to ask the customer that what is your best time to contact. But you can ask, you can send your calendars link to them, and they can just choose the best time that is there. If you have
Nice.
integrated with Google Mail, Google that is G Suite, you can also send your conference mails directly from there.
Oh, nice. So there's no need to buy any third-party tool for sharing your calendar. It's Vita can
Yes,
take care of it. Very
yes.
interesting. Very
Not only
interesting.
that, one more best thing that you can see here is you can share the time. What is the best time to contact the customer? When is the
Okay.
best time to send the mail?
Mhm. Right.
It
So,
it it calculates the time. What is the best time the person has opened the other mails, earlier mails, all those things.
okay. Now,
And
Jyoti, just because we are a little running out of time, can we little know more about Calcus?
yes, yes, I'm going to
How
come up.
Calcus is going to help you?
Yes. So here you can see the all the things, and you can also have a phone call. So I'm going to the deal part wherein I'm going to show you all the things that are there. Okay. So you can you in the left side, you can see all the communications that is happening, whatever the touch points you have, whatever the next actions that need to be taken, everything is available in the left side. Okay. And here I'm going to the deal section. These are the deals. And I'm going to one of the deal that wherein I'm going to show you the calculus feature. So
Right.
this is a deal wherein you can see the customer journey can be configured in such a way that your sales team member have to do all the tasks that are needed for the journey to be completed perfectly. Once,
Okay.
yeah, in each stage of the pro- of the sales stage, he has to complete. You can configure your tasks that need to be completed, like calling the customer, calling, then identifying uh, the main influencers and who is the decision maker. All those things that need to be taken care for the particular journey to complete.
Right. So it will
Okay.
save a lot of efforts in
Yes.
that case.
So no need to for them to change the sales stages. It automatically changes sales stages when you come once you complete the task, events, or uh, things that you need to cover during the
Now,
journey.
the very interesting fact, and one of the question that one of our attendees asked, how VTiger in large can help in saving money for the companies, as well as how efforts can be reduced.
Yeah. So Harish will be the best person to answer this question. Harish, can you answer
Right.
this question?
Harish, Harish, we were just wondering. Now, if you look at so much that VTiger offers,
Yeah.
but one very interesting question that we got from our attendees: how VTiger can help in saving the effort and cost for our customers.
Right. So very interesting one. As Jyoti is explained, and Aman, you're also taken us through. So we are rich in the features. We have about 95% of the features what is available in the market with the leaders who have done a lot of acquisition and stuff like that in VTiger. So what I suggest is that we always on our product price points also is one third of the price point what others try to sell in the market. So that should give a comfort for the customers to have a super rich product with features. And the other good thing about us is like we can design a product and try to make the journey pleasurable for the customer with respect to implementation also. It can be self-implemented if the customer would like to take up and run, or you want any support from us to implement that solution, we will give it as a training package. Or you want us to do a full-blown implementation also, that is something which we take up, so that there is a huge saving on the implementation cost as well. And the the other part of it also is like we take an incremental approach of growing, right? You can start off with your basics, then you can start having some kind of an automation, alerts, and kind of building a lot of secure, I think, profiles around it. So the product also allows you to have a journey of an incremental approach on the implementation, so that overall, you as you grow the product also, you'll be able to spend, and you also will be able to optimize your cost.
Right. And also to add on to what Harish said, everyone,
Thank you.
the entire one view that you would realize will always save your effort of moving from different products. Now, from a company point of view, the most objective reason of going for any software is that they're not hopping between a lot of softwares, a lot of dairies, a lot of notepads to see where the data lies. So you can straight away move to VTiger. VTiger also have a lot of schedulers, a lot of inputs where reports can auto be generated, auto be sent. So in that case, the entire effort of moving from multiple tools can be saved. Best part, it
Yes.
has all the automations and calculus that Jyoti spoke about. So you don't really have to go and input the data. It can also automatically pick. Now, one of the biggest question that we recently got from Navneet. So is it your in-house development or a version of some other cloud-based CRM? So Mr. Navneet, to answer your question, this VTiger CRM is the product of VTiger company. It's their in-house homegrown product, which they are selling in the market since 2004 as uh, as an open source, and recently in the year 2010, they converted into a cloud-based solution. Target Integration is the partner who implements, sell, uh, and solve the solutions for our customers. So vTiger CRM is the in-house product of vTiger company, which is based out of Bangalore, and they have customer across 120 countries. Uh, right. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Just before I let you go, a last question. Now,
Uh,
if yep,
yes.
yeah. So out of the 70% of audience that we have, who's already using a CRM software, and in case they feel like moving in, how difficult and how easy would be the migration?
We have the migrations team, which the customers who have earlier also have utilized that. They are coming from Salesforce, Help Desk, then we have Freshdesk. People from other CRMs are also taking those. And if you have data on Excel or spreadsheets, you can also import that same data into the CRM. We are there.
Right.
Our migration teams does a lot of customization that is needed.
Yeah, just to add, Aman, here, I just wanted to add a point. So we do a mirror image of the existing implementation, what has been managed in a different application, like take any other product company, they want to migrate to vTiger. As is, we will be able to get those transactions migrated into vTiger, right? Because we have built in a lot of API, I think a lot of import options to get the contacts, leads, tasks, all the activities what has been carried out in a CRM can be ported into vTiger, and you get a unified view of the experience when they start off the journey with vTiger, Aman.
Yes.
Perfect. And I can see another question saying, how is compared to Zoho Suite when you look at product-wise comparison? So, sir, to answer your question, uh, Zoho Suite is equivalent as a CRM what vTiger has. They grown out of the same ecosphere. vTiger was the initial product and then got separated. But on a product, the the one view and the new AI features that you would see are something on which they both are working hand neck or neck, and which vTiger has a late control on. Uh, I'm not saying which one is good and bad. It's of course depends upon what kind of business you are in, how you can customize and play the product. But all both are onto the level. Okay. Moving on, Jyoti and Harish, I just wanted to understand another part of this whole process before we move ahead. So now, how would you? So very good question that Mr. Navneet have asked. Now, if I look at the pricing perspective, and Jyoti, if you want, you can stop the demo now.
Right, right.
Uh,
No
Harish,
issues.
how do you look at the pricing perspective? Do you think, on the pricing point of view, what kind of edge that vTiger holds?
Yeah. So I'll take this question. So as vTiger, we are always looked at how the customers benefit. So we have module-wise pricing depending on the kind of a maturity of the user trying to use the product. Just to give an example, so a customer wants to use just a sales module. So we have, for a sales module, we have a starter package, we have a professional package, and we have an enterprise package. So customers can go ahead with only one product with these multiple categories we have. And customer feels, no, I would like to go ahead with all product with a particular kind of a price point. We also have all-in-one product, which has got a professional edition and an enterprise edition. So the enterprise edition more would be integrating with a lot of other application, building a lot of multiple workflows and stuff like that. So we have seen that how the market needs, we are trying to accommodate our price points, and our product is also being tuned to that particular requirement of the customer. Like a project module. If you want to use a project module, you can also use the project module attached with the communication module, so that there is a good touch point for the customer also to start using only the project module. So we have taken up the product wise, the approach of breaking up the product into multiple layers and to the usage level, Aman. Hope that I have answered the question.
Okay. Now, Harish, the reason that we all have got together,
Yeah.
give us these 5 points that we should try V9.
Yeah. So Aman, I thank you. I think I would like to take this question here. See, first important point, what we have seen using the product is, UI. So UI plays a very, very vital role. Because of my experience, I worked for a decade in an organization called Tally in an SMB environment, and I've seen vTiger working on an SMB environment. So these are the companies who understand the user's perspective, how to make a layman also start using the application. So we have seen that, and that is the UI which is coming, the V9. I think people will start using it, and I think they will appreciate, and sorry, they will be able to give us a feedback. Aman, sorry. So this is the UI is something which has come out very well. I think it's more intuitive, and people are able to adapt it without a lot of training, Aman.
Okay.
Okay, so navigation intuitiveness. So something which I would like to dwell upon. So I take this concept way back to iPhone. So iPhone had only one button to use the whole software, right? Whole mobile device. So if you see the intuitiveness is like you're in any module or any kind of a sub application in the application, any module or any feature, you will be able to get all the relevant modules and the features which is accessible for that particular thing on the right hand side. If you see that what Jyoti was showing us, that when it was in the contact module on the right hand side, contact related, all the communications were reflecting there. Leads was reflecting, because the customer will get converted to lead, and lead communications, whatever is there, all the relevant things come back to back. That is called something called intuitiveness, which we are trying to plug in so that people don't navigate in different modules and try to operate it. One module, if they open up, they will be able to use the whole software. That's what we are calling as intuitiveness on navigation, Aman.
Okay. How about?
Yeah. So I think I would like to touch base upon few points on calculus. Why calculus, right? So calculus is a new word. Like example, in case of a Salesforce, they call it as Einstein, and vTiger is calling it as calculus. So this is something called assist. I call it as assist. Like it's like a assistant for a particular manager or a particular executive, right? So what our Jyoti was trying to demonstrate is, like example, today I'm using the application, and in a conversation I know that okay, there is a competitor name. Automatically the product will tell you, why don't you insert this competitor information, so that you have a high chances of trying to get the customer buy-in. Right, the communication part of it, like example, today communication becomes so vital for an organization. It takes care of the smallest of minute things about the grammar part of it also in the communications. It also checks the sentiment of the customer, also, and provides you the insight. So our I think, and the biggest challenge today is a conversation between entities, right? When a sales manager sitting and when a sales executive sitting in, there's always a discussion telling that, okay, boss, is this deal going to close? Because of the pressure of the targets, the salesman will, the executive will tell, I will close it by December 31st. But the system will tell, no, it's going to happen in Jan 31st. The reason is basically because it takes the past history, it analyzes the data, it looks at the size of the implementation, what is done by the organization, or kind of a frequency of the engagement, what you have, and kind of a stage moments the system is suggesting and predicting a particular time. So here we see that the sales manager and the executive can have a conversation which is going to be more of seeing and winning the deal and getting those enablement of that particular sales resource also. So just wanted to add one more point in calculus is, it pulls out the information on a conversation in a telephone or on a mail. Like example, I and Aman are having a conversation. It tells you what's the speed of conversation by Harish with Aman. How many questions Harish has asked Aman, and what is the kind of a pause Harish has got, and what is the kind of a prompting questions I've asked. So like that, you can fix up some 15 different questions, and a text method, you will get all the information. Using our Power AI, you will be able to coach the people also. To that level, our calculus is there, Aman.
Harish, one more point that I would like to mention here for our participants. Guys, yes. The biggest question that as target integration we get, can my CRM be integrated with Tally? Yes, vTiger has a feature where you can get integrated with Tally as well. The most demanded integration that we can see, and that's also available in version 9.
Yeah.
Harish.
So, Aman, I would like to just add one more point over here on the integration. Please understand, in the market, there are about 100 tools which is specifically used in different modules, pipeline, tasks, your communication, everything. vTiger, if you're buying, you will get 70% of the tools are pre-integrated with the product. That's the whole idea. We are able to get you a one view. Otherwise, without these tools and technologies, not able to get you there. So that's on the integration part of it. And Aman told about Tally integration. Coming to mobile app, the product has got a feature of field sales staff. If a field sales staff is on the move, so they have an app which they can download on the mobile. On the move, they can do a lot of operations, right? Whether they're using iOS or on Android, they can download, they can start using it. Lot of business use case we have resolved for the field sales staff guys. Just to give 2 points over there, a field staff is moving in the market. We can know from geofencing where he's reached out, and so that the manager of the organization can help him, and whatever it is, they have to help. Whenever he is able to get some kind of a conversation, he'll be able to record it. It can translate into a minutes of meeting. He can send it to the customer. So a lot of intuitiveness and a lot of efficiencies have been built in the mobile app to ensure that the field executives are going to be more focusing on the business, and we take care of the tougher part of getting those conversations streamlined.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Harish.
Thanks,
Now we'll
Aman.
move to the most important session of our webinar, questions. I could see one question raised by Navneet ji. Do we have control on user profiles and views? Yes, sir, you do. Like Jyoti answered. In the security section, we have roles and profiles. You can define roles and profile basis on each user, and each user can have access of not only modules, but even the fields. Plus, we can also define views, filters in the modules as well for a user. Now, I could see some more questions from Mr. Jayesh Thakkar. Sir, thank you so much for joining it. It's good to see you here. Harish, a question that I think you should answer. It
Sure.
says, what is the future roadmap of vTiger?
Yeah, I think we would like to still go ahead with the customer relationship management and try to build in a lot of efficiency in our engagements with the customers. And with respect to that, attaching to all the modules, like example, we want to get in a lot of more technology advancement in terms of the help desk management, where we want to get the live chats being implemented, like example, and the conversations can be happening in. So we have a WhatsApp integration, direct integration. Today, I think WhatsApp allowed us only to integrate with the third-party application. Today, we are trying to do a direct integration with WhatsApp so that we can get a lot of the features being incorporated into this. So from the technology perspective, from the user perspective, and also from the perspective of the usage, which is dynamic in nature in today's world because of COVID also, we have got a lot of changes in the product. So those are the things which we'll take it as a roadmap and try to see, and we'll be relevant in that time. Whatever is needed will be there in vTiger.
Another question, Jyoti, that I think you could answer. Does vTiger connect with SAP?
Presently, we have the REST APIs through which we can connect to from any platform using the REST APIs.
Yeah, we have done, Aman. We have done integration.
We have done.
We have done integration with Sage. We have done integration with a lot of ERP.
Yes.
And to give you a little case study, everyone, Target Integration being participant in one of the SAP connector that we have done for the biggest cement company in the country, where we have integrated their vTiger with SAP as well. Jayesh also has another question for you, both of you. Anyone can pick up. Do you have any plans like Zoho to launch modules like HR, expenses, and others?
Yes. We are planning to have the expense module wherein you can track the expenses that are being done by the sales team members for their day-to-day activities. Like it can be a travel or hotel expenses. All those things are going to be added onto the expenses module. And coming to the HR, you can configure the HR by using the different custom modules that can be created easily.
Yeah. So Aman, just to answer HR module, we are going to still integrate with the professionals and the leaders in the market who are HR solution and integrate, and we start co-selling. So expenses, yes, we will do it.
Perfect. Mr. Rahul Patel asks a very interesting question saying, is vTiger planning to discontinue their open source version of vTiger?
No, we are not going to discontinue the open source version. It will be there, but if you are comparing vTiger open source with the vTiger cloud version, you have a lot of features that are not being released onto open source version because it takes a lot of things that are needed for your day-to-day interactions.
Yeah. So Aman, to add what Jyoti is saying, we are also supporting, we are also started a direct
Yes.
support also on the open source for the customers, right? We have large customers like Airbus, I think Boeing, and a lot of large, very large customers are using our product on the open source. So organizations has taken a call to support the open source also as per the organization, and we'll be getting some releases into the open source as well, Aman. It's not going to be discontinued.
Super, super. That's a great news. I know a lot of people who have actually gone with the open source version a lot. Even to crack this secret, even I learned my first CRM was on open source vTiger 5.4, that I remember correctly. When I played my hands, burnt my hands there.
Yeah.
Another question that I have from Mr. CP Dinesh saying, what's the difference between Zoho CRM and this one? So, Mr. Dinesh, the difference is the entire architecture, the AI that both the products are bringing in. I'm sure all the panelists would agree that no CRM is good, bad. Every CRM is equivalent, but the offering that they provide, the kind of solutioning that they want to bring in, specific to the industry, is what caters. And yeah, we are more than happy to sit down with you, understand the business that you are in, and then take you forward to a level where we can have a one-to-one comparison, apple-to-apple comparison for you. Okay. Mr. Jesh has asked, do we have installation base number for India? Or Jyoti, how many customers, if I paraphrase this, how many customers do we have in India of vTiger?
About 15 to 20% of the customers are from India. The major chunk is from US and UK, Australia. But major now, because the CRM has been a tool that is needed in Indian markets. The Indian markets are rising up and are coming up with the requirements. So we are already available.
Can we say out of those 3 lakh customers, can we say almost like a lakh, if I say 20%, 60,000 to a lakh customers that we have?
Yeah, man.
You can say one of the biggest customer is our, you can say Anchor in India, Anchor Panasonic.
That's a Mumbai-based company, right?
Yes, and one more customer is coming, which we cannot divulge the details, but yes.
So it's one of the largest government organization. One, along with our thing solution thing SI, and I think we are not able to disclose that. Yeah, it's going to be one of the biggest order in India on the government project.
And just to give you a single line answer, it's almost like 60,000 installations of vTiger done in India. And then there are big brands like Anchor, Panasonic, Dalmia Siemens, so on and so forth, which equally Target Integration being participant of as a customer. Last question that we'll take of the day is of Neelam, where she says, in mobile app, which are the best features that you are providing? Jyoti?
Yes, whatever you have on the desktop version is available. Only the thing is the calculus has not yet been implemented on the mobile app, but every other that is the feature is available on the mobile app. You can directly create events. You can also have a navigation to the location based upon the event you have. You can check in and check out features for sales team members and other things, like you can capture the leads. Then you can also create quotes, all from directly from the mobile app.
And Neelam, just to add to what Jyoti said, I think one of the biggest USP of vTiger mobile app is geofencing.
Yes.
You would find geofencing as a very rare feature in other CRM's mobile app compared to what you see in vTiger's mobile app. It does has a possibility where you can actually fence the check-in feature for your salespeople, that my salespeople can only check in under the radius of 500 meters compared to the address that they have entered. So if my address is of Space IT Park Gurgaon, my salesperson cannot check in anywhere else beside the same premises. So such kind of nuances that we have.
So Aman, and in addition to that, you can also search for the feature which we have is you can search for the nearest other customers who are in that particular location. Let's say if you're visiting some area, you do not know who are the present customers at that location, you can just track them through the mobile app and reach them.
Perfect. Right. Thank you so much, everyone, for asking your questions. Hope we are able to respond you back. But if you still feel some questions are went unanswered, or if you still want a little detailed demonstration, we are more than happy to go ahead and provide you a one-on-one sessions. You can write anywhere on this. You can either go to our website or you can go and write an email at info@targetintegration.com. We'll be more than happy to answer your queries and also set up a one-to-one demo with our consultants based out of various locations that we cover and various regional languages as well. As of now, Target Integration covers 10 regional languages across the globe. So thank you so much, the panelists, Jyoti, Harish, for joining us.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, all the attendees. It was indeed pleasure to have you here. And as Target Integration, we can surely promise you that we'll keep on coming up with a lot of such webinars, a lot of such informations about CRM and ERP tools. Stay tuned. Keep on watching us. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thanks, Aman.
Have a
Thanks,
good day. Thank you all.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.